Are you looking for natural ways to boost your gut health? Look no further. Here's a blend of tips, herbs, and essential oils that will have your digestive system thanking you. Start your day with a warm cup of ginger tea to soothe your stomach and aid digestion. Ginger has been used for centuries for its digestive benefits. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut into your diet to promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Add a sprinkle of turmeric to your meals for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate digestive discomfort. And don't forget about essential oils. Peppermint oil can help relax the muscles of the digestive tract and relieve bloating and gas. Try blending a few drops of peppermint oil with coconut oil and massaging it onto your abdomen for quick relief. With these natural tips, herbs, and essential oils, you'll be on your way to better gut health in no time.